Mindset is where I would say I've experienced the most growth. And there are so many difficult things that I've gone through, that I have seen other people go through. And if it was not for the way I approached it mentally, I'm not sure I'd be here today the way I am today. I've always tried to approach everything I do and everyone I meet and every moment in my life with what can I learn? What can I gain? How can I find a moment of gratitude for this specific thing? And who I am is always this person who tries to maximize the lessons that I can learn so that I can give them back. Yes, I want to learn. Yes, I want to accomplish a lot of things. Yes, I want to create a lot of content and put things out there. But the main goal is not for me to have those things. It's for me to find ways to give those things. Ultimately, that has always been like my driving force. I think that's what makes me a good teacher, makes me a good coach, makes me a good speaker, and makes me a good dance partner, and makes me a good friend.